In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a TikTok video onto your Squarespace page. If you've ever wanted to showcase your favorite TikToks directly on your website, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, and with a few simple steps, you'll have those videos thoughtfully integrated into your site. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want your TikTok video to appear. This could be any page on your site. Maybe it's a blog post, your homepage, or a dedicated page for videos. Once you're there, you'll want to enter the page editor. The page editor is where you'll have the capability to add and modify all the content blocks on your page. Now for the fun part. Look for the Add Block icon. It's usually marked with a plus sign, indicating where you can insert additional elements into your page layout. Click that icon, and a menu will appear, showing the different types of content blocks you can add. Since we're going to embed a TikTok video, we'll need to use the code block. So, in the search bar of the Add Block menu, type in code and select the code block option when it appears. With the code block in place, the next step is to grab the embed code for your TikTok video. Head over to TikTok, find the video you want to share, and locate the share options. Typically, there's an option to copy an embed code. Once you have that embed code copied to your clipboard, return to your Squarespace editor. Click inside the content box of the code block you just added, and paste the TikTok embed code right there. Having done that, it's time to see your handiwork in action. Click the Done or Save button to apply the changes. Now, the TikTok video should be embedded into your page, ready for visitors to see and interact with. If you have more videos you want to add, repeating this process is all it takes. For each additional video, you'll go back to the Add Block icon, search for the code block, paste in your new TikTok embed code, and save your changes. There's no limit to how many you can include, so feel free to showcase as many as you'd like. There you have it, a seamless way to enrich your Squarespace site with engaging TikTok content. Thanks for following along, and happy embedding!